If you have been looking for how to make potato chips, you are on the right track. You can make it for your family, you can make it for your friends, and you can also make it for business. So I'm going to give you step-by-step guide on how to go about this, all right? So if you have been wondering on low budget, on low capital business to do, potato chips, plantain chips, they are one of the first options that are supposed to come to your words,
And you know
to your
everybody
mind,
wants
all
to do
right?
business that will bring profits to them, okay? So if you have any Hausa market around you, this is the best opportunity for you to what to use. If you have Hausa markets around where they sell potatoes, or if you have village markets close to you, or if you know somebody that goes to village markets to buy potatoes and plantain, this is the right time for you to what to meet that person and start with buying from them. Okay, the reason why I mention these two sets of people is because you can buy it at cheaper rate from them. Because when you go to the bush market, when you go to the village market, you'll be able to buy it more affordable to buying in the house. You understand? Because people that are selling in their house, you already gone to the market to buy, so they want to profit from what they've already bought. So instead of you buying from them and not profiting anything or profiting little, it's better for you to go to the Hausa people to buy, or you go to the village markets to buy. That is one of the best options.
So another thing you must notice is that when you want to fry your plantain chips or potato chips, make sure you use a very quality oil. It is very important. No matter how expensive the oil may be, please do well to use it so that your customer will not complain. If you use good oil and your customer do not complain, then you are good to go. Then you are on the market. You understand? They will never complain that your oil is bad. They will never complain that your oil, your chips has taste or odor, because that's what those bad oil would do to your chips. And with that, you have more advantage towards package it the way you like. Other people might be packaging it their own way, but you package it in a way that you would to profit from it. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. These are the tips and tricks that you must put in this business. Very important. Take note of it. Please, if you have watched to this stage and you've not clicked the follow button, please do well to click on the subscribe button, comment and share this video. Okay, you can also save it for future use. All right, it's very important. So the next part we are going to is what your packaging aspects. Okay, actually the way I package my potato chips, I package it for 100 naira so that children will be able to afford it, depending on the people you supply to. When you're supplying to supermarkets, you supply in cans and you put your stickers. You supplies in packaging packs and you put your stickers. But me, the way I package, I use the sachets that have seal. That's what I use in packaging my potato chips, and I package it for 100 naira, and I count it 12 pieces for 1000 naira. That's what I do. And I tell you guys, there is profit in it. I do profit a lot. Okay, until I have more access to higher set of people or customers, that's when I'll be able to package more and to profit more. So if you have advantage of this, you have supermarkets close to you, you have good peoples, big peoples that love chips that you can package very costly to them. I tell you guys, you'll be able to profit more from these chips. Okay, and again, when frying, do not overcrowd your pan with chips. Okay, you need to make it not overcrowd so that when it's frying, there'll be space for it to fry and be able to dry very well. Okay, and secondly, please do not allow your chips to be brown on fire, because when you drop it on your bowl, as you can see, it will be more dark. So make it golden brown so that when it's cold, the color will still be intact. Okay, so if you watch the video to the end, I thank you. And also please do well to share and comment your next video that you want me to drop for you. Okay, thank you guys. And as you can see, it's very crispy, crunchy, whatever you can think of. Bye.